Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check your TikTok balance like coins or rewards. So if you're done TikTok live a lot and maybe you got some rewards from the viewers, you can easily check it by following the steps that I about to show you. So here, after you open your TikTok, you can go to your profile, then click on the this arrow down at the top right corner. Then you'll find the balance option, so you click on that. So this is the balance, so you can here you can manage your rewards, coin, and also a transaction on TikTok. You can also easily check your rewards from live, creator funds, subscription, and more. And here you can also manage your coins. You can use coins to support the content of your favorite live creator with gifts or promote your own videos. So let's get started. And here you can see I currently have 0 coins. And if you want to get the coin itself, you can just click on get coins in here. And there will be some options that you can select. For example, you want to top up 70 coins, you need to pay for the certain amount, and after you can just click on recharge and make a payment. And if you want to see your live rewards, you can click on this. So live rewards, you get it if you are doing some live, and also the viewers give you some rewards like rose, like diamonds, or others gifts. Okay, so you can also see the transaction in here. You can also you can also promote your content by paying some coins to the TikTok team. Okay, so that's all from me. That's how you can check your balance on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.